Hello, welcome to Algorithms. My name is Saurabh. In this presentation, we will discuss about image classification for insurance claims using machine learning algorithms on Azure platform. Now, traditionally, companies would need to develop expertise in machine learning models, train the models, and run the images through their custom process to get the data out of those images. Now, using Azure services such as Computer Vision API and Azure Functions, your organization can eliminate the need to manage individual servers and reduce cost and leverage the expertise that Microsoft has already developed around processing image with the cognitive services. Now there are similar kind of services available in AWS as well as other cloud providers as well. The pricing and other aspects may vary, but the fundamental architecture remains same. So this example scenario that I'm going to discuss about is using following components. So we are looking at Computer Vision API, which is part of Cognitive Services Suite and is used to retrieve information about each image. We are using Azure Functions uh, that provides the backend API for web application as well as the event processing for uploaded images. We are using event grid to trigger an event when a new image is uploaded to blob storage. The image is then processed with Azure Functions. Blob storage to store all the image files that are uploaded into the web application, as well as any static file that web application consumes. Cosmos DB to store metadata about each image that is being uploaded, including the results of processing from Computer Vision API. Now, looking at this architecture, the flow looks like this. The API layer is built using Azure Function, and this API enables the application to upload images and retrieve data from Cosmos DB. When an image is uploaded via an API call, it is stored in blob storage. Now, when you add new files to blob storage, it triggers an event grid notification that is sent to Azure Function. Now Azure Function sends a link to the newly uploaded file to the Computer Vision API. Once the data has been returned from the Computer Vision API, Azure Function makes an entry in Cosmos DB to present the result of the analysis along with the image metadata. Now, alternatives are custom vision service can be used as well. In this case, we used Computer Vision API. So the Computer Vision API returns a set of taxonomy based categories. If you need to process information that is not returned by Computer Vision API, you can consider the custom vision service, which lets you build custom image classifiers. Now Azure search can also be used if in your use case you are querying the metadata to find images that meet a specific criteria. In that case, you can use Azure search. From the security perspective, you can use managed identities for Azure resources to provide access to other resources internal to your account and then assign to your Azure functions. From pricing perspective, you need to create some cost profiles based upon the number of images that you are expecting, and you need to look at the size of image as well that you are expecting, whether it is going to be 200 kb, 500 kb, 1000 kb, 1 MB, 2 MB. So you can divide it into three levels, like level 1 pricing, level 2 pricing, level 3 pricing. Level 1 pricing could be less than 5000 images per month. Level 2 pricing could be around 500,000 images a month, and large pricing could be, or L3 level pricing could be 50 million images a month. This is how, because all these things you can look at the services like Azure Functions, Event Grid, because here the images are going to trigger different aspects of this solution. So that's how you need to calculate. So if you have a clear idea or a tentative number in your mind that in my POC I'm using this, but in the real world this could be the scenario, then in that case it helps you come up with a good cost estimate, and then you can divide it or maybe create three separate profiles based upon 2 years, 3 years, or 6 months, whatever is applicable in your use case scenario. I guess this is it from my side. Some of the folks have requested machine learning details as well in the past. I guess to get into the machine learning details, I need to get into more of the development mode where I talk more about feature engineering. Then it will not be applicable for architects who are designing the whole solution. It will be more developer focused. But what I decided that I will start covering the development part as well from the algorithms perspective, so that those who are interested in designing custom solutions, custom, I mean to say that, for instance, in this case we are talking about custom vision service. So for them, those algorithms will be good starting point for their POC. And as I always say, whatever we have done, those POCs and those results we can share with you if you let us know via email, because we are running short of staff, so not everybody is looking at the comments and then replying to those comments and then making sure that the customers who are requesting the details or a specific dashboard or a script, we are sending to them. So that's the reason we rely on emails, not on the comments and on the LinkedIn or YouTube. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.